Hi, it's Mike from Custom Cruisers. Here we are, Kuryakyn. I believe the number's 9427. This here's the new YAMAHA XVS950, your V-Star, whatever you want to call it, hypercharger kit. Okay, this basically bolts to your throttle bodies. Okay, as you can see, steadying bracket, your air pipes for the vacuum, for the flaps, and your spacer. And of course, this is for your engine breather. This particular kit comes complete with all full instructions, very easy to follow, loads of pictures on the inside. And as you can see, this is a beautiful Kuryakyn hypercharger. Now, as you know, these things do make quite a big difference. Now, this particular one, this is a standard. You can do a pro as well, even though I don't recommend it for this, but if you really want a pro or a black one, we can do that. But the flaps, vacuum operated, control the amount of air going into the motor. It's like sometimes you're in the car or on the bike, you roll the throttle off and it actually accelerates better or goes better. That's because there's too much air getting in. Okay, now this is vacuum operated, gives you optimum performance all the time. So if you're interested, give us a bell, 01773 835 666. Alternatively, www.customcruisers.com. We have got hyperchargers for every bike, literally, even the VN9s and the M1800s, M109Rs, which no one else does, plus the M800. You know, lots of bikes. We get our adapters in, and we can pretty well cover any model. Also, we do the Velocity Pros, you know, your Typhoons, all that kind of gear as well. So it's customcruisers.com or 01773 835 666. Thank you.